Behind the booming steam industry, Les Lucky Grass Electric Appliances focus on this field for 15 years. Let's explore it today. Challenges for heating conductor components. Take the traditional heating body as an example. The old pure aluminum casting heater takes a long time to heat, and the heat dissipation is not uniform, leads to higher energy consumption. The old pure aluminum is not stable. It is easy to react with water to form scales. The heating efficiency and steam quality are affected. Environmental regulations are getting tougher. Pollutant emissions from the production of heating elements, disposal of waste after use, are heavily regulated. Businesses must change. Les Lucky Grass Electric Appliance has been actively exploring. Try to combine stainless steel with aluminum to improve the overall performance of the material in product design. Also focus on recyclability and environmental protection and other aspects of optimization. We'll see next time. Heating elements. How to ride the wave of technological innovation. Breaking through the dilemma. Make a magnificent turn.